Hello everyone, welcome to Lab 8. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to use these resources to help you answer the questions in this lab. Okay, so in this lab, there are two tables that you need to fill out, and the last part is asking you to answer questions about Texas geology. So let's start from the first table. In the first table, you need to find beginning time of the geologic time interval and decide is it an eon, era, period, or epoch. These are different geologic time units on geologic time scale. To fill out this table, you need to use the first link. So it takes you to a website which provides you the geologic timescale, and you click on the printable PDF. You'll see this table. So first, how to decide is it a eon, era, period, or epoch? It is showing on the top of the geologic timescale. So eon includes Hadean, Archean, Proterozoic, and Phanerozoic. Phanerozoic, how to spell Phanerozoic? So with a capital P. This is how to spell Phanerozoic. Phanerozoic start from the beginning of Cambrian all the way to the time of present. That's the Phanerozoic eon. In Phanerozoic, the eras including Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. Period units including such as Cretaceous, Jurassic, Neogene, and Paleogene. Epoch unit including such as Miocene, Oligocene, Eocene, and Paleocene. Then you need to write down the years beginning before present for each geologic time scale unit. So for example, if you're asked about the Neogene, then Neogene is right here, and Neogene is a period. So Neogene over here, I'm saying it's a period. And then years before present, the beginning years of present, Neogene will be 23 million years ago. So you go back here, say 23 MA. Okay, this is how you find the answers for table 1. And then for table 2, you need to find the time of these life events. For this one, you need the second link, to click on the second link. And it will take you to this geologic time scale with major biologic events. So what you can do is on here the first bacteria. So on this website, you click Control F, and there's you can find a search tool. So you type in bacteria, then you will find that the earliest life, such as bacteria, start from 2,500 million years ago. So 2,500 million years ago. So I suggest you to search using this search tool to find all the keywords and make sure you find the correct answers. Okay, so that's how you use this table to find the answers. Okay, and then question about the geologic history of Texas. For these 4 questions, you need to use the link on the second part over here. This article tells you all the answers. So you click on the article and takes you to this web page telling you the story about Texas. Let's see. The first question, when did the geologic history of Texas begin? Where are the oldest rock? So we need to find how old is the oldest rock of Texas, and that's when the geologic story began, then where the oldest rock is. So still I'm using Control F to start the search tool and say oldest rocks. Okay, so there are 3 keywords for oldest rock. So this one is saying as much as 1.4 billion years old. So you can just say the geologic history of Texas starts from 1.5 billion years ago. And then the second part of the question, where are the oldest rocks found? So where to find the oldest rock here, it says this is the age of the oldest rock, and these rocks are buried beneath younger strata, mostly northwestern part of the state. So then where to find the oldest rock is northwestern part of the state is where to find the oldest rock. So then you can use the search tool to find all the answers for these three other questions. The last part that you need to find the geological map of Texas and zoom into the locations to answer the questions. The question including what's the age of the rock, you need to state the period and epoch. Then saying find what type of rocks are there. You need to use this link and you click on it. It takes you to the website. And on this website, there's a pop-up window. You just click on the blank. What you need to do is say, I just type in. So then you go to here, cities, and click on zoom in. It zooms into here. Just wait a bit and it load. So you see in this is alkaline area and it has two types of rock. You click on here and tells you it's a clear fork group, period Permian, epoch is Leonard. Then you type in Permian Leonard, and on here it tells you the rock type. So it's a mudstone, limestone, dolomite, and siltstone. Say okay, then you need to close this and click on the second type of rocks. Okay, so then it tells you that is the quaternary Holocene. Then the rock type will be floodplain deposit. Finish typing those. So for the rest, you just type in the name and find the locations. You will find the answers. In the end, it asks you to which trend do you notice when looking at the ages of the rock exposed at the various locations. So the trend you could answer from north to south is the rock getting older and older or younger and younger. That will be the answer I'm expecting. So I think after watching this video, you should be able to finish this lab on your own.